In early 2019, the VDE was assigned as a referral from Microsoft to us. Since then, we have implemented almost the entire M365 stack with the customer and built a strong and sustainable business relationship. In this short success story, I'm going to tell a little bit about the challenges, topics, and developments we have made as a FastTrack Ready partner together with the customer. Hello everyone and herzlich willkommen to today's success story about our customer VDE. My name is Daniel Rohregger and I'm FastTrack Manager and Project Manager at infoWAN. I'm passionate with Microsoft Cloud and the possibilities with hybrid and agile IT projects and project management for many years now. As a FastTrack Manager, I've been involved with our customer VDE since the beginning and have been able to contribute to this success story. For more information about hybrid IT projects, FastTrack, or if you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime on LinkedIn. Before we dive right into the success story, let me give you a quick background on the partner infoWAN and the customer VDE. infoWAN is a leading full consulting company for customers with Microsoft on-premise, hybrid and cloud services. Our extensive service portfolio is complemented by our own managed services, such as our Security Operations Center, a guest user management service, as well as our 24/7 operating service and support desk and more. infoWAN was one of the first FastTrack Ready partners in Europe, and since the beta phase, we are an established part of the FastTrack partner community with a constantly expanding customer portfolio. Our customer, the VDE Services, is the IT organization of the Association of Electronic, Electrical and Information Technologies from Frankfurt am Main in Germany. For more than 100 years, the VDE tested label has been known and recognized far and beyond the borders of Germany as a synonym for the highest safety standards and customer protection on electronic devices. Let's go jump into the initial situation and challenges we faced. In spring 2019, VDE Services was assigned to us as a referral from Microsoft, and we made the initial contact with the customer. The goals were quickly clear: a full implementation of M365, including advanced security features. Through the FastTrack program, we were able to start core onboarding and lead the customer first into the modern workplace and then also through advanced workloads into a secure and compliant IT infrastructure. We didn't use FastTrack at the beginning to pitch our services. No, FastTrack was and is an integral part of every step of the project. We have always used FastTrack workshops for onboarding, baseline and implementation discussions. In total, over 25 workshops were conducted by our engineers in all areas.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen beim FastTrack Success Workshop. Mein Name ist Sandra Neumann.
Hallo, mein Name ist Frank Wenzel. Ich bin Senior Consultant und FastTrack Engineer bei der Firma infoWAN.
Einen wunderschönen guten Tag. Mein Name ist Christian Müller. Ich bin Security Architekt und FastTrack Engineer bei infoWAN. Ich heiße Sie vom VDE recht herzlich willkommen zu unserem heutigen FastTrack Workshop zum Thema Microsoft Information Protection.
Und darf Sie zum heutigen FastTrack Workshop zum Thema Teams recht herzlich begrüßen.
Einen Einblick über die Erfolgsfaktoren bei der Einführung von Microsoft 365 Services geben zu dürfen.
In addition to FastTrack, we also used other programs like accelerator workshops to make the onboarding as efficient as possible. At this point, I would like to give you a small insight into the development of the customer. We delivered the FastTrack workshops on Exchange Online and Exchange Hybrid for the basics and building up the know-how about migration on the customer side in summer 2019. After further in-depth preparation, piloting, migration planning and testing, the customer was then able to migrate. Within 3 months, 1,200 mailboxes could be migrated. This was already a goal that the customer presented to us in the kickoff meeting, and we were happy to achieve it. It was a similar story for Teams. We delivered the onboarding and adoption workshop for Teams, SharePoint, etc. in the fall of 2019. The original plan was a slow and step-by-step rollout. However, these plans were messed up with COVID-19. But this was not our problem. Due to good preparation, it was possible to restore the working ability for over almost 40 days for more than 1,000 members of the VDE. Through these efforts and opportunities from Microsoft, we were able to quickly demonstrate our large-scale expertise and also build up a good relationship with the customer. This has given us the opportunity to offer value-added services to support beyond the scope of FastTrack with hands-on consulting for M365 and Azure infrastructure. For this purpose, we set up a project and built the different goals as sub-projects and have been tracking these goals regularly ever since. I personally combined the role of FastTrack Manager and Project Manager to coordinate all activities, workshops, deadlines and topics comprehensively that arise at the VDE.
Hello, my name is Berna Koch, in-house Azure consultant at VDE. In 2019, we were referred to the FastTrack program for the first time by infoWAN. Initially, we were having some doubts whether it would be successful. However, our doubts were quickly resolved and hence we got convinced. We were able to implement quickly the rollout of Teams for mobile work during the pandemic for all VDE employees in March 2020, based on the input we received from the FastTrack team for our Exchange Online migration project. Finally, the FastTrack team and the great support of infoWAN helped us to accelerate our migration to Office 365 and getting us where we wanted to be, faster and more efficient. Thank you very much for your support.
Some of our already completed projects or sub-projects are, for example, the Exchange Online migration, Teams, M365 apps and Intune rollout, privileged identity, multi-factor authentication and conditional access rollout, a extended introduction and adoption of Microsoft Information Protection, a review and optimization of the Azure infrastructure environment, concepts for multi-tenants, Windows Virtual Desktop, and also the onboarding to our operations service and support. We are working with the customer on a weekly basis, and some of our current projects are a concept for migration of the on-premise telephone system to Teams calling, a file server to SharePoint Online migration, and a currently ongoing Kubernetes and Azure AI concept. The last important topic I want to talk about was the ongoing exchange with Microsoft. Together with the Modern Work Architect and the account team unit, we were able to present a united front to the customer and work together as a team to give the customer a joint experience and a single point of contact for his topics and questions.
Supporting VDE as an MWA, I want to highlight the great collaboration with infoWAN as a FastTrack ready partner. The progress VDE made with M365 is impressive. Thank you.
It's been great working with infoWAN as a FastTrack partner, in particular with Daniel. The customer VDE has made impressive progress, and we're very much looking forward to the next projects together. Thank you.
At this point in time, spring 2021, the customer has achieved almost 80% active usage across the entire portfolio, and I think the ongoing projects show that this is still increasing. We will continue to support the customer with FastTrack in onboarding and usage of new services and looking into a sustainable business relationship with the customer. That's all for now. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask now or later. Thanks for all your attention and have a great day.